Hey folks, it's the Nerdy Barbarian. I got a quick video today, just a little unboxing. Got the camera out because I really want to tear into this. It just got delivered and I can't wait. So filming in the middle of the day here, taking a little break. This came from E-Knives. It got delayed, the shipment got a little delayed, but it showed up eventually, no big deal. Multiple knife disorder, you can never have enough, yeah, no shit. This is a Shirogorov, shocking nobody. If you're watching this channel at any kind of regular interval, you know that I'm kind of obsessed with Shirogorov. If I had to pick a favorite knife brand, it's probably Shirogorov. Overpriced though they are, I will be the first to admit that. Nice of E-Knife to send me a band-aid because they know how often I cut myself. Another one of the Ursus line here. As soon as these things got announced, I saw them announce these on their Facebook and their Instagram page, but as soon as these got announced, I knew I wanted to grab one. So I actually had to sell one of my favorite knives, that Shirogorov Quantium Ursus, excuse me. It's got the carbon fiber front scale. Solar System model, that limited run one. I really wanted to keep that, but I kind of overstretched. I really wanted to get my hands on this for the channel, just to do a video on it, because this is a lot more approachable, attainable knife. A lot more people will probably want to buy this. So as much as I love that Solar System one, I'm not just collecting to collect. This is something I really want to invest in, is this channel. I'm really trying to grow the channel, so things I love have to move on sometimes so that I can get new stuff to show you. So this is a lower end model from Shirogorov, and a way more reasonably priced one. This is the maroon Q95. Man, that is awesome already. Look at that maroon micarta, that is sick. Nice big knife too. Some of the pictures of their knives make them look like they're small, but pretty much all of their knives are pretty good size. You get your normal Shirogorov cleaning cloth, your sticker in there, and your card with your serial number. This is an LMAX steel with multi-row bearing system. So it's a real deal Shirogorov, none of that single row BS. And it's got these, what look like proprietary screws holding it together, which is a pet peeve of mine, but they include the tool. And beyond that, they told us on their Facebook post about it in the Facebook group that these would also accept normal hex bits. These are standard bits, so these aren't going to fit. I got these because I think the Chris Reeve knives use standard hex bits, so I don't have any handy that will fit that right now on this bench, but they tell me that regular hex bits will fit. Looks to be perfectly centered. Out of the box Shirogorov action can be a little hit and miss for me. Sometimes they need some break-in time, other times they're perfect. That Quantum Solar was perfect out of the box. My Astrum and my Fit Strip were both a little stiff out of the box and kind of hurt my finger on there because they have kind of aggressive jimping on their flippers. Let's see how this one does out of the box.
And that's pure pleasure right there.
Oh yeah, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, nice and light. Fires right out. Once you get over that long ass detent ramp, it falls right home. Perfect Shirogorov action. Feels just like a Shirogorov multi-row bearing knife. How about that? Perfect. Absolutely perfect. The action is what does it for me with these knives. They're just so perfect. And they have that super awesome scissor sound that I like when they open, that sharp scissor sound. Can't get enough of that. This thing feels thick in my hand. Feels a little thick.
That's a huge bitch.
Got a little inlet here for the clip so it lays down a little bit. That's a nice, it keeps it a little more low profile in your hand. Yeah, this may be the most comfortable Shirogorov in my hand I've ever handled so far. Yeah, there's absolutely no hot spots whatsoever. This thing feels perfect. You think it'll cut? Oh yeah. Yep, slice is fine. Got a decent edge on it. That's another thing I've found to be kind of hit and miss with Shirogorov. Sometimes they come with a screaming sharp edge, and sometimes they come a little bit off. But yeah, that just dug into my finger right there. This thing is sharp as shit. And it has the best out-of-the-box action of any Shiro I've handled so far. It's even a little better than the Quantum Solars was. This thing is fantastic. I can't believe this thing was the cheapest Shiro I've owned. These are not cheap, but as far as a Shirogorov goes, they are cheap. This is a $660 knife at the time of recording. They're also still available, not this color though. These sold out pretty much instantly, the maroon ones, but they've got a couple of three other colors that are out there, and those, they look pretty nice too. But the maroon one's gone. It's mine, you can't have it. God, that's so good. Yeah, still got that long ass ramp, but it's fine. I get used to it, I just kind of drop it and let it fall past the ramp, which it does extremely quickly. And then just tilt it and let it rock home. That's kind of how I just use my Shirogorovs. I just glide them past the ramp altogether. Cool, beautiful knife. I'm very impressed out of the box. This thing's super slick. No blade play, no lock rock. Solid lockup. Yep, absolutely wonderful. Okay, I'll play with this some more, carry it around, use it, and I'll get a full review out when I get around to it, alright? Don't rush me. Alright, thanks guys. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe.